How to use Microsoft To Do. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft To Do. Yeah, you can see this. So this is a beginner guide which will help you that how you can use Microsoft To Do. So first of all, you have to search up for Microsoft To Do on your browser. It can be any browser that you wish to continue with. So after going to this address right here, you can check out whole address here, and then you just have to enter your Gmail address. Then you can tap next, and then you have to verify it by tapping onto send code, or you can also tap onto other ways to sign in if you wish to. Then you have to head over to your Gmail. Then you have to enter the code that it provided you from your Gmail. So let me check it out. Let me check the code out. It might be here, maybe here. You can see this is the code. So now you have to copy it and paste it over to this side. Then there we go. Now you have to tap onto yes if you want to stay signed into Microsoft To Do. And there we go, we have been logged to Microsoft To Do. And this is what Microsoft To Do's interface, or you can say dashboard, looks like. Now you have to tap onto let's go. So there we go. Now you can create your own task. You can use it according to your need. So, and if you don't know what is Microsoft To Do, then you can just simply search it up on Google, and there we go. You can see that Microsoft To Do is a free cross-platform task management app that helps users to stay organized and manage their to-do list. This is kind of like Google Calendar, you can see. Also, you can say that it is like Nord one, if you know it. Now, if let's say you want to create a new task, then yeah, you have to enter your task name. Like you can enter your descriptions here, then just tap onto this icon here, add icon, and that will be added to your task list. Also, if you want to delete them, you can just do it right from here. You can just tap it out, and like if you sign this icon, that means you have completed the task, and if you don't sign it, that means you have not completed the task. And the top right corner, you can check out your ID right from here, as you can see this one. And by clicking onto here, you can check out your templates. You can just simply tap onto try mode. This is basically the dark mode, you can say, and then you can just save it up. Right now I wish to go with this white one. Here you can check out your important tasks. If you have set them up, you can just tap onto this task, like I have to sleep. Now you can tap enter, and then it will be added. Now if you want to make it important, like if you want to make it start, then you can make it, and if you don't, then you don't need to do it. Now let me reload the page, and you can do it like here. You can check out your time. So let me create another task. I have to go to the gym. So now you can tap it out, and you can make it important, and you can enter your date like 5/20/26. Then you can enter, and the time has been added. So this is how you can use it. Then here you can see the important one has been added to important list. Also, you can check out in the plan here. So this one is the later option. This one is the latest one that I just created. Now you can add steps if you wish to it, like hi bye. So you can add steps, you can add more steps, you can also add it to my day, but for now I'm gonna skip it. You can turn it to that remind me later today, tomorrow, or next week if you wish to. So then it will remind you later. You can pick a category, like you can color them according to your category if you wish to. For example, this one, purple one is perfect. That's it. You can also add files from your browser if you wish to easily. Just open up your file that you want to add. For example, this one, then you can open it up, and the file will be added. Now lastly, you can add notes right here at the bottom. So after getting all these things, you can simply tap onto it, and it will hide the details. And if you want to add more tasks, you can do it. So that was pretty much it. Now let's see the list view here. You can check it list view right from here, and you can see the file has been added to my Microsoft To Do. You can check it out assigned to me. And also you can check out your task that I created earlier. Now you can check this image that it has been downloaded automatically on my downloaded file. Here you can check it out. So this is the file. So Microsoft To-Do is really a helpful site to manage your task. You can create new list from here. If you want to create a list for today's list, then you can create more lists that next week's list. You can make it, then you can tap enter. So now let's tap onto today list, and you have to drag the file. For example, this important one, you just have to drag it over to here. So here we can check it out. Let me do it perfectly. So there we go. And then you can see that you can drag it up from there. Okay, this one is not today's list, so I'm going to tap on the next week. Okay, here, then you can create new list, more. You can create group also. If you want, you can create groups like this list groups here, and that's pretty much it. So here you can connect with more apps, for example, with Family Safety, Microsoft Word, and many more. You can also add more apps to Microsoft To-Do. If you wish to, you can bind them very easily. Let me skip this because right now this is basically the face and fingerprint verification. So there we go. You can add more apps. You can also install apps, but to install apps you have to go to premium one, like you have to buy the premium Microsoft Studio, and you can check out its pricings and etc. So that is pretty much it. Here we can see recently opened are all the files and attachments. It will be set it up right here. You can create more files from here. You can just simply tap onto the previously made files also, and here we can use the Copilot option, and that's it. So that was pretty much it, how we can use Microsoft To-Do. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and let me know in the comment section that if you want to briefly describe Microsoft To-Do's tutorial, then I will bring it up. So that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe as I told you, and you can just go to Microsoft To-Do and check it out, all these things. Okay, you just have to check them out, and from this side you can make it more perfect. Goodbye, see you on to another video.